Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday morning. It's 8:01. I just got the kids on the bus and now I'm back and I'm gonna go have some coffee and some breakfast. Dylan's in the shower and I'm sure he's gonna have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. Then I need to go to the library to pick up a book. And then I'm gonna come back, shower, get ready, and then I'm gonna head to probably Starbucks to get some work done. I did that yesterday and I really liked it, so I think I'm gonna go again today because I was really productive. And yeah, I put up a new podcast to go up tomorrow last night, and I edited the last vlog you would have watched. I'm gonna edit this vlog and I need to edit another podcast. So yeah, things to do, but happy Tuesday. So as you just saw, I just put on a little bit of makeup because my plans just changed a bit. So my mom is having surgery on Friday, so she has to go to the hospital right now to get an EKG done. So, and then she was like, do you want to get acai bowls after? And I was like, yes. So we're gonna go get bowls, but she's gonna go right now and I'm gonna go have like a snack or something because I'm hungry. I might just have like a bowl of fruit, and then I'm gonna go to the library to get a book, and then I will meet her. There's like a hare, there's a couple hares doing crazy things. So I'm gonna go to the library and then I will meet her after she's done and we'll get bowls. And then hopefully I'll go to the gym. I don't really know. Now my day's a little scrambled, but that's okay. I'm gonna throw on a vest. Or maybe, should I do a jean jacket or a vest?
It's not fast enough. So,
guys, it is 51 degrees. Woohoo! I brought my jacket just in case I get cold because we might walk to get bowls. Like, I'm going to the library. You could technically walk there from the library. But I don't think I'll need it. So it's 50 degrees. I had a bowl of fruit and now I'm having some Chex cereal. My stomach kind of hurts. But I'm gonna go to the library, get a book or two, and then hopefully mom will be ready to get a bowl. I don't know if everything's gonna take like a long time or what, but then hopefully I'll go. I think I'm gonna go to the gym after we get bowls, and then come home, shower, get ready. Maybe I'll make it to Starbucks, maybe I won't, but if I don't, it's not the end of the world. But yeah, it should be a good day. I'm excited to get a bowl. The green room getting bowls. I like my camera, but this is easier and less discreet. Thank you. At the green room. I already said that though.
Chocolate pudding, but it's not pudding.
What is it? Avocado, cacao, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and sea salt. The goods. Looks so good. Guys, it is 60 degrees out. Oh, I'm just having a day. I do have to work tonight. If you're wondering if I'm just like have the day off, I do not, but I don't have to work till 4:30. So I'm just having a day. The pharmacy called our house and said like your prescription's ready, but it never said whose prescription it is, and I don't know if it's mine or not. So I was gonna go get it, but I don't know if it's mine. So maybe I'll ask my mom if it's hers and then get it tomorrow if it is mine. So I'm gonna go home and shower, and I don't know if I'm gonna go to Starbucks or not. What time is it? 12 o'clock? I guess if I go home, shower, I just don't know if it would be worth going or not, but I'm gonna listen to some music, drive home, roll the windows down, and just have a good day. Okay, so I'm home now and I just showered and put on some more self-tanner. I ordered the Tansuticals, didn't come in time. If you saw in the last vlog or whenever, I got the Ulta brand. So I tried that one. I think I put it on Sunday and it's only Tuesday and I felt like really pale. So I put on more and I put on the Ulta, just their brand of like the self tanner. This is the Express Tan Tinted Mousse, which I don't think Express works as well, but that's all they had. So I'm just trying whatever to see what works, because next week is the wedding, so I want to make sure I have a good like clean tan, and I might do like put it on Sunday and then again on Wednesday before we leave, so it's like double layer. But yeah, that's what I did. So I'm gonna go set up, get a I'm gonna go make some coffee and set up downstairs and get some work done, maybe have some lunch. So that's whoa, that could have ended really badly. Let me turn around. Oh, my freaking lens. So I was just sitting here starting to like work, and I thought I had to edit episode 5 of my podcast, and it's already edited. Past Mariah just really came in clutch for me today, because now I'm just gonna upload a video and maybe go take a nap, so I'm very tired. So shout out to me in the past, last week, doesn't make sense to have coffee and then take a nap though, but I really want this coffee, it's so good. I've been putting oat milk in my Stokes. It's very good. So I guess I'm just gonna upload this video and then go take a nap. I was gonna be productive, but I didn't really sleep well last night, so I feel like while I have the time I should probably just nap, because I have to work in like 2 hours. I have to leave in like 2 hours, so that's the update. Alright guys, I am up and I need to leave for work in like 15 minutes, and I don't know if I've mentioned it, but we don't have a kitchen right now. So this is the situation. Before I tell you what I'm doing, we have a microwave, toaster oven, that's like a skillet thing, but we don't really use it. Paper towels, coffee, like this is the situation. It's a mess, but I'm gonna drink my coffee I had earlier. I'm eating strawberries, and then I have this pasta with pesto on it from last week. And we're just gonna throw some of this chicken from Trader Joe's in here. That'll be my dinner for tonight. But yeah, it's like trying to figure out what to eat without a kitchen. Something else. Like I bought little those Elio's pizzas for Dylan to have. We have a lot of ramen. Should I bring ramen or this? guess I'll bring this. Ramen's kind of good. I had it for the first time, like the cup of ramen. I had it for the first time like last week, I think, in years since I was little. It's actually kind of good. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna pack this up and then I'm gonna head out. Hey guys, sorry the lighting isn't great. I am at work now and the baby's sleeping, so I am watching The Bachelor. This is what I do every weekend. This is what I do like every week. Because unfortunately he goes to school during the day and he's only like 3 or 4 months old, so he doesn't sleep much at school, so he usually takes a big long nap while I'm here at night, and then I'm just here at 4:30 to 8:30, so he'll probably wake up in a few hours. Sometimes he wakes up like in between, but his mom said he wasn't feeling too good, so poor baby. But we played for a little bit and now he's sleeping and I'm watching The Bachelor. So I hope you guys enjoyed a day in my life. It was kind of random, but it was a good day, I think. And I hope you guys will come back next week and watch next week's vlog. I upload every Saturday, so make sure to subscribe down below to get notified. Actually, hit the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload, and follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's. Listen to this week's episode of Mainly Adulting, and I will see you next week. Bye.